Pattern interruption is one of the best things to keep your visitors hooked to the website. It makes them stay longer on your website, eventually leading to a higher conversion rate. Horizontal scroll is a great example of that. You can use it in the gallery section of the website to make it look premium while keeping the conversion rates high. And today I'm going to show you how you can create the horizontal scroll effect on Framer. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So this is the animation I'm going to show you. You can see there's a smooth horizontal scroll effect in this gallery section of the website. I'm going to show you exactly how to create that. And you can go to the description box and grab the remix link for this project and make it side by side with me. And if you don't have an account on Framer, you can do it from my link in the description. So this is where we are going to create the horizontal scroll section. After the hero section, the second section is going to be the gallery where we will put the horizontal scroll effect. So first let's create a frame. Cut it. Go to desktop, select main and paste it inside. Then set it to fill. Let's name it scroll container. Turn on the layout, remove the fill color. And for the height, we are going to set 2500. Let's create a frame inside this scroll section. We need this frame to be at the top of this tag, so we are going to select the scroll container, set it to top alignment, width, fill, and for the height, we are going to keep it viewport, so it covers the full height in the screen. And now we'll be turning on the layout for this frame too. Remove the fill from this as well. And now for the scroll container, we are going to give it a little bit of padding on right and on left, so it stays within these borders. And for this tag, I'm going to name it sticky. And for this tag, I am going to set the position to sticky. So if now for an example, I give it a fill, and now if I scroll through this, you can see that this white frame is sticking to the whole container. And that's what we need to do for this animation. Now let's remove the fill once again. And another frame inside this sticky container. Set it to fill. Remove the fill. Turn on the layout. And now we are going to create another frame inside this tag. And for this one, height is going to be fill. And now the width to around 400. And now I'm going to duplicate it to as many images I want in the scroll animation. So duplicate, 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 duplicate. I want 5 images, so I have duplicated it 5 times. And now what I need to do is I need to select this tag, which I am going to name image wrapper. And I'm going to set the distribution for it from the start. So the first image here stays in the beginning. And as we scroll down, we eventually lead to the last image. So let's select them all, click on fill and just click on image here. So all of them are image frames now. So let's see if the frame is still sticky. As you can clearly see, this section is sticking in the center for this whole container. Now let's add the images. Now I've added the images in every frame, and now I'm going to set the animation for this tag. One thing I noticed while adding the images, I have missed a simple thing that I have to set the image wrapper to fit content. And now I have to select the sticky stack and now make the distribution from start. So now I have this image wrapper which will be going from this side to this side when I scroll through the website. So now let's add the animation for it. So select the image wrapper, go to effects, click on scroll transform, and the trigger would be section in view. The from state would be opacity 1, scale 1. And in the to state, you have to set the state you want this animation to end in. So I want for this tag to be at its end by the end of this animation. So I'm doing that, and I'll do a little more. This looks fine. And now for the section in view, we need to select one of the sections, but we haven't yet set any sections. So we have to select the scroll container, scroll down a bit and click on this scroll section. Set a name for this section. I'd be setting it as trigger. And now go back to the image wrapper, click on scroll transform, select the section and it would be trigger. And for the viewport, I'm setting it to the middle. And for transition, I want for this scroll animation to be smooth. So I'd be adding the transition, decreasing the stiffness a bit, around like 400. And for damping, I'd be setting it to 70. So let's see how the animation is looking. So here it is. And this is how you set the scroll animation for Framer. So that's it for this video. You can follow me on X and Instagram for daily updates, and you can also subscribe to my newsletter from the link in the description to get tips and tricks to improve your design skills. If you want tutorials like these, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want a specific tutorial, feel free to ask for it in the comments. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.